Hi guys, I'm Rakhi Vaswani and I'm off again to Jerusalem. This is an amazing familiarization trip that I'm really looking forward to. I'm gonna have loads of fun. Right now I'm at the lounge, so the trip starts and takes off. I wanted to share all of this with you, so you're gonna be traveling with me to Jerusalem. So see ya! So we are out now for our city tour and we've got off to the viewpoint where our guide has shown us the difference between East and West Jerusalem, which is all one now.
Was the border between Jordan and Israel until 1967.
The difference of the houses, how they live, how they work, but now it's one and it's beautiful. Today is a foggy day, so I can't get a clear picture of the view, but you know, it's still really beautiful. Market, and I want to show you something really nice and different. The Jerusalem is trying to make so many revolutions, and the first one that they've just started with is this Visit Israel truck that's behind me, as you can see. What do you tend to do for the tourist?
Basically give them information about what's there to see, where to eat, what's how to get from A to B.
Okay.
Just relevant information about what people want to see and do.
Okay guys, so here I am at this local vendor. His name is Rami, okay? He sells you vegetables and you hold the bags up, you show it to him and he tells you 2 shekels and 3 shekels. It's really a nice way. Rami, say hi. Hi. We are here in this market and it transforms day and night, and we've had everything from spices, dry fruits to dates, whatever you want. You want the best kanafe, you want baklava, you want Turkish delights, everything is available right here. So we're here at this age-old place, Uzi Eli, where he makes these amazing traditional drinks and creams, good for health, for someone with good skin who want to get pregnant, for fertility, everything possible. Uzi, say hi! Bye-bye!
Close your eyes.
And behind me you can see that he's making this amazing bread, and you can see that's how the local bread is being made. Guys, we're here at the Mamela Hotel. It's one of the luxury hotels here, and we're here to meet the chef, have a lovely master class, which is what we're looking for. Here I am ending my day today. It's been a very crazy day, from the market to the viewpoint to Mamela Hotel, and now we're here shopping. A girl's got to do a little bit of retail therapy to feel good and happy. So I'm gonna say good night for the day. Hi, so we're climbing up the En Karem, which is like a spring house. That is my group walking up. So let me catch up with them. So here we are, climbed all of that behind me, worked out, burned out all the calories, ate for breakfast, and it's a beautiful view. You can see around the whole valley. We've come to the house, so let me take you there. So here you see behind me where Mary came from Nazareth to En Karem to meet her cousin Elizabeth, and with Jesus of course in her stomach. Now I want to show you around. This is the Magnificat. Whole wall, it's written in all languages, and I'm going to go inside now. We've come to Atalia, our food art vacation. This is the chef we met last night, and she's gonna take us into her kitchen and show us exactly what she does. Okay, so here I am loves India. She's actually toured India, so she told us a beautiful story how in this beautiful home of hers, you guys can come enjoy your meal. There's a bed and breakfast as well, like you said, right?
We used to have, and now I'm hosting mainly here in my home for
okay. And she hosted us today, and it was an amazing meal. And she's promised some nice recipes to us as well.
Yes.
Take care and lovely meeting you. So here I am on the rooftop of Chef Atalia's. We had a lovely meal with her. She shared all her experiences, her recipes. So an amazing person.
So welcome everybody. We're trying not a special croissant that we do, kachkaval and mango, and another one with the feta cheese and red pepper.
So we're walking into this oldest neighborhood of Jerusalem called Mashrenia. I'm still young and we've come to Primitive here and we've come for a nice wine tasting. We've got a sommelier and some nice nibbles to go along with the wine, some wine pairing. And I'm going to show you around what our group is looking like.
I really hope
So I'm back again and we're here at the Jerusalem Winery. So we're going to have an amazing tasting time. Let me take you around.
So my name is Yuval and I will be your guide for the next hour and show you a little bit of the view here in Jerusalem and also tell you the story about the windmill, which one of you said before, we've seen windmills before. That's true, there's many, no it's okay, there's many windmills in the world, but this one is very special for the state of Israel.
And we're going into the windmill to try some of the good wines.
There's definitely this beautiful custom shelving built to the radius of the windmill itself without drilling anything into it. We actually started this whole adventure with 4 boxes of wine on the floor right about here and a wooden table. So we've come a long way.
So I'm in the streets of Damascus. So we're just exploring everything. We're gonna eat a lot of stuff, gonna buy a lot of stuff. And when you come here, you must do one of these locals, the pomegranate juice. That's a must. With a hint of ginger, carrot, orange. Yum, yum, yum. Hi, so today morning we're here at the Dead Sea. We've literally come below Mediterranean level. We're at the sea level now. So we had a beautiful soak-in the Dead Sea. So there's a beautiful tip that our guide gave us. You need to go till your knees and then sit down and then just float back. And it's very good to even soak your hair into it because the minerals are so good. Now that we've finished the Dead Sea, we've driven all the way out of there and then come into Tel Aviv. Now we're going to a local winery and we're going to do some more wine tasting.
It was in the past Wilhelma. Wilhelma is a Templars settlement. It was established in the 1901. That we are using American oak is because American oak gave more vanillity and like more sweetness.
The Carmel Market, which is again one of the markets very famous in Tel Aviv, right behind me. So I'm going to go inside and venture and I'll take you guys also for a tour. Shawarma in the making with mushrooms and soy, guys. This is the chef. Hi chef, say hello. And you can see us, everyone's digging into this. Now all 3 girls are out and we are going to rate this down. We're going to Dizengoff Center, which is supposed to be really lovely. So follow us. We're gonna do some nice retail therapy in Tel Aviv. Good morning. So it's a lovely, bright and sunny morning today in Tel Aviv, and I'm supposed to fly out today, but I couldn't leave without seeing the beach. So it's lovely behind me. I'm going to take you around and show you. It's a beautiful, calm and serene beach.